In this video, I will show you step by step how you can create a professional Shopify store using PageFly Page Builder. You see, Shopify's inbuilt editor doesn't have many customization options.
No, God!
But with PageFly, you can create professional e-commerce stores that will not only boost your store sales and conversions, but will also give a stunning look and feel to your store. So, let's not waste any time and get started. There are mainly two ways to create pages on PageFly. You can either create a page from scratch, or you can simply choose one of these templates to create your store. First, we will show you how to create a page from complete scratch. And then, we will show you how to create a page using a template. And we have also added the timestamps in the video description, so that you can easily follow along with this video. Let's get started. First of all, we need to add the PageFly Page Builder app into our Shopify store. To do that, click on the first link which is given in the video description. This will take you to this page, where you can click on this Install button to add this app into your store. Then again, click on this Install button, and PageFly will be added to your store.
Yes! Yes!
This is the dashboard of PageFly. You can see a lot of options here, which might seem overwhelming in the beginning, but over time, it will become much user-friendly for you. On the left-hand side, click on the Pages option. This is where all of your pages will be saved. First, we will create a page from complete scratch. To do that, click on Create from Blank and then select the Homepage option. This is the PageFly editor. On the left-hand side, you can see the page outline. And when you click on this Add Element option, you'll see various blocks and elements that you can add in your page. This is a simple drag and drop page builder. And there are many elements that you can choose from this list. For example, I will choose the heading element and then drag this onto this blank canvas. Next, on the right-hand side, you'll see some editing options. This is where you can customize each element of this page. For example, I can change the text from here, I can enable an icon from here, I can add call to actions, I can manage the visibility settings, etc. I can even animate this text, which will appear to people visiting the website. You can see all the animations that are available in PageFly. Next, we have the styling settings, where you'll get some advanced editing options. You can increase or decrease the font size from here, you can change the text alignments, you can add different text styles, and much more. Next, let's say you want to delete this element. To do that, click on this trash icon, and the element will be deleted from the page. Alright, now that you've understood how the PageFly editor works, it's time for us to create a basic page structure. To do that, I will simply drag and drop some elements on this page and then customize it as per my requirements. For example, I can add an image element on the second column. Next, I will go through every element to see which one can be a good fit for this page. We can add a page heading and then increase the font size. Next, we can add a paragraph below the heading and then also increase its font size. Last but not least, I will add a button here. I will increase the font size again, and then I will change the background color of the button, and then I will extend it to full width. Great!
Great!
Now it's time to customize the structure. Let's say we want to add a new image here. To do that, click on this image element, then on the right side, go to General Settings, and click on Add Image. Now, select the image you want to add here, and confirm. And if you don't like it, you can remove it as well. Again, click on this Select Image button. Here, you can upload your own images as well. And you can also add external images from here as well. Let's say I want to add a luxury watch image to my store. So I will go to Google and search for luxury watches. Next, from the Images section, I will select an image with a transparent background. Next, I will copy the image URL and then paste it here. This will automatically add the image into the image gallery, and we can simply choose this image for our home page. Next, I will replace the dummy text with my own text. Next, I want to change this text color and also want to change the background color. To do that, we need to select the entire section, then go to Styling. First, we will go to the content color and change the text color to red. Then, we will go to Background Settings and change the color to yellow. You can try out different background colors and see which one suits the best. You can also add a background image if you want to. Alright, now it's time to add more sections into our homepage. So we will go to Elements and then add a 3-column layout. Instead of this layout, you can also add a pre-made block and then customize it as per your requirements. We will also add a video slideshow right below this section. Next, we want to add a tab section so that we can highlight the features and other info of our store. Then we can also add an accordion section, which will help us add some FAQs on the page. I will also add a countdown timer between these two sections, and then change the alignment to center. And now our homepage structure is finally complete. Next, we only need to fill in these sections with our own content and customize it as per our own requirements. Feel free to play around with all these settings, and you'll find the right combination for your homepage. And once the editing is complete, make sure to save your changes by clicking on this Save button. And then you can also publish this homepage as well. You can also preview this page before publishing.
You're done. You're done.
Alright, now I will show you how you can use a template to design your store homepage. So, click on this Create from Template option and then select Homepage. This will show you all the homepage templates that PageFly has to offer. PageFly regularly updates these templates and also comes up with brand new ones. So, go through all these templates and choose the one you like. For example, in this demo store, I want to sell luxury watches, so I will try to find some suitable templates. This one looks good. So, I will click on the Preview button to get a preview of this page. Make sure to preview it on both devices. Alright, I will now select this template and edit this as per my requirements. I can edit all these fonts, images, banners, and everything on this page. First, I will change this image. I will select it and then replace it with this image. Next, I will add my own products and collections here. To do that, I will simply click on this product list here. On the right side, there is an option to select collections. So, I will select my watches collection here. And as you can see, the products from my collections are already added here. Now, I will simply play around with the settings and try to customize it even further. I also don't want to show the product details in the homepage as it look nasty and spoiling the design, so I will simply remove it. Next, I will also remove the subheading from here. Next, I want to show all 4 products in a single row, so I will adjust the settings accordingly. Now it is looking much better.
Not bad, not bad.
Now let's say that while editing your page, you deleted something by mistake. In that case, you can click on this Undo button to fix the design.
Oh my god!
Next, I will replace this image with my own image. And then I will also add a background color so that the image appears perfectly. Next, when you scroll down, you'll see this Product Details option. This is where you can add your newly added product or your best-selling product. And then I will remove all the unnecessary items from the page. And now our homepage design is complete. Now we can save this page by hitting this Save button. You also need to give this page a name. And you can also preview this page using the Preview option. PageFly also offers templates for your product pages, collection pages, and much more. So feel free to take some time to go through these templates and create an astonishing design for your store. They also provide 24/7 customer support to all of their users, which is a great help for beginners. Alternatively, if you want to hire us for Shopify store design, feel free to contact us using the first link which is given in the video description. Thanks for watching this video.